Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So guys, as promised, as I said that I'm going to be doing a repotting of those jade plants, the Crassula ovata. You can see now they have completely calloused. The wounds have completely healed up, as you can see. So now it's time to put them into the soil. They already have roots. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put the stem. Remember, this one also is healed completely now. So I'm going to put the stem first. Now I don't have to be worried much because they already have roots, so I don't have to be worried. So now I will be planting these stems one by one. I'm going to cover it up with some soil. This is the other one. You can see this one is also completely healed with a lot of roots. So even this one is going to go into the soil, ensuring that the roots are completely inside. It's going to be little shaky right now because they have not established the roots yet, but that's absolutely fine. This one also has healed. The roots are present, so that one also will end up in the soil. And now it's going to be kept in indirect bright light. So you can see it was pretty simple. One plant. So you can see it was pretty simple. From one plant we have 3 jade plants now. Not even 3, this is going to be the 4th one as and when it starts to grow. And definitely I'm going to keep you guys updated whenever this stub that tends to put out any new growth. But this is how it tends to look like. This one is slightly wrinkled, which is absolutely fine because after 2 or 3 days I can go ahead and water it. I don't have to wait for the roots to appear because they already have roots. Even this stem also has some roots, so I don't have to be worried. So now this pot is going to be kept in indirect bright light and we are going to wait for it to grow. Again, it's going to take a very long time. As of now, they are going to be in this pot. As and when they start to grow, if I feel that they are getting congested, I will move them to individual pots. Right now, they are just single cuttings, so there is nothing much to be worried. You can just put them in a small little pot like this. And as I said, watering is not going to be done right now. Even though there is a wrinkle on this, I want the plant to get adjusted in the new soil. I will wait for 2 or 3 days. The plant will still do quite well. There is nothing much of an issue. Once that's done, I will go ahead and do a watering. Most probably, I'll do bottom watering because if I'm going to water it from above, the plant will start to move because they are not completely stable in the soil. So the plant might start to fall over. So I'm going to do bottom watering. And bottom watering, another best thing is that it tends to encourage the root growth a little bit more deeper when you have bottom watering because the water starts entering from beneath. So the roots start to surge to water. They go a little bit deeper and the plant tends to get stabilized much faster compared to top watering. So guys, I hope that this video on repotting was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep planting.